small enough to get in here.
Aww.
So it really wasn't your fault. Oh, is that so tight?
That's not even the little guy. That's a bigger guy. He is not impressed.
I don't think he's gonna get out. So.
Is there any way to? Is that the only way to get stuff in there?
Yeah.
You can't take it apart, eh?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
I'm just trying to think of the system here. You gotta. I'll have to balance this thing.
I wonder how long you've been in there.
Get ready, you're gonna be free. It's not ready to be free. No, that's not a very good system for smaller.
See you later. Oh, he's telling all his... Look at him up there. Look at how mad he is. Or is that a thank you?
Well, I doubt it.
Look at him, Lyle. Well, that's the thanks we get, huh?
You want to put the stuff in there?
Might as well.
Oh, he's way up there. It's only one of them, eh?
Maybe that's the parent of the little guy. Like, he has the sorts of markings as the teeny one. Or maybe it's a teeny one. Maybe he got bigger. Maybe that's his problem.
There's only one up there. Okay. Well.
He's still talking about it.